Hello guys, now we will add app icon to our app. So let me show you. So here right now we have this app icon as the default, but we will use logo as our app icon. Let's minimize this and first let's go to this MIP map. Here we have two packages. First we have this icon launcher and then this icon launcher round. So here we can see these are the default icons which has been specified. Only thing they have the different size. So we need to update these default icons. So let's minimize these and here on this resource package go to this new and here we have this image asset and we will use this icon type of this launcher icon. And name we will use this icon launcher and only thing we need to use this image. Let's use this image of our icon. So let's go to our so to define our app icon, first thing let's cancel this and we have this app icon in our drawable package. So let's open this package in our explorer and copy this directory and again go to that image asset and here paste that directory. So now we have this resource package and let's use this drawable and app logo. So this is our app logo. First let's also expand it and let's resize our icons. I think this will be the best fit. So the background color, it is using that green grid, but we will change it to simple color of white. So now we can see our app icon is looking good in all of these placeholder. I think we also need to make it little bit shorter like this. Now it is looking perfectly good. So let's just go to the next and this will replace all these files with the new one and press this finish button. And now in our MIP map folder we have our icons. It has created these different sizes because our app can be used on different platforms. So let's close this and run our app to see and minimize it. So here we have our icon, but the icon is still not looking good. So let me just resize that foreground little bit more. So here make it smaller, something like 65. So it should give definite white background to all of these different variants. Now press this next and again this will override these existing files and run our app again. So now we have our app. Now it is looking good. And one more thing, let's also change the background. Instead of that white, let's use dark blue. So here this background color, let's take the sample from our image. So this is looking perfectly good. So now we can see our app. This is how it will look. So this one is much better than the previous white background. So let's press next and finish. and run our app again. And now our app icon is looking perfectly good.